What's up guys, it's the boys back again on Trini Vlogs. Today we're going to be installing this gloss black kidney grill on a BMW F30. Alright guys, so the first step is to remove the water strip in here to get access to the hex screws below. Alright guys, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 T30 torque screws that we're going to be removing, and then on the end we have a T25 on this end and a T25 on this end as well that we're going to be removing. Alright guys, so after you remove the torque screws, there's some little clips here that you need to remove the bumper from. So there's this clip here you need to get the bumper under out of. This one here, as well on the other side. You just gently slide the bumper out from under the clips. Alright guys, so you're just pulling the bumper back a little bit, and as you reach inside you'll be able to see the clip here from the grill. This is the clip here, so you're just applying pressure to the clip downwards and just snapping it out of place.
Alright guys, so you're starting from the outside here, the outer corner, and then you're working your way to the inside. Just release the clips coming inward, and then you just apply pressure so the grill will come up, pop out.
So on the inside of the bumper there is releasing the clips and applying pressure to the outside by pulling the grill out as well.
The last one is out. Just
And it
come
slides
like
out.
that.
So these are the clips on top. Just show them how you release the clips.
Alright, so you're pressing the clips down and into the gap, and then you're applying force outward to bring it out.
Alright, so there are 3 clips on top and 3 on the bottom as well. Start from the outer edge this way and work your way across. Alright guys, so this is a view from the inside. You can see the clips on the top and the bottom as well. So you unclip the bottom one and comes out. Alright guys, so to insert it, simply just line it up and it will snap into place. You'll hear all the clips snap into place like this.
Give it a tug just to make sure that it's in place, and then you know it's secure.
So pretty easy to install. Next side as well. Line it up and you'll hear the clips snap into place.
That wasn't a clip, that was my knee that just cracked.
Alright guys, so after you snap your grills into place, you need to realign the bumper under the clips on each side. So you have this first clip here, second one here, third, fourth, fifth and sixth here.
From there now you just inserting back the torque screws and fasten them down.
Alright guys, so the next step is to just reinsert the screws and screw them back in. Important when you screwing them back in, try to line them up with the indentations on the bumper all the way around, so that when you close your bonnet, the spacing between the bumper and the bonnet will be exact. So you start with one of the T25, then go directly to the other end. So you do the two ends first. Make sure not to over tighten, because it will crack the plastic underneath.
And then you fasten the rest of T30 screws and be sure to align them with the marked left. So as you can see here, there's a mark left from where the bolt was. Try to realign them as you were saying before.
Alright guys, so the last step is to reinstall your water stripping. You just line up the middle first of all. That's why you mark it with the tape to line up the middle, and you just go all the way around, press it back into place.
Hi guys, so if you finish and your bonnet is have an even gap all the way around, then you know it's lined up properly. Otherwise you need to readjust your bolts. This is a final look of the grill here.
So the gloss black looks much better than the chrome grill. A more stealth look suits the car a lot better. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. If this video helped you guys out with the install, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell to get notified when new videos come out. Thanks guys.